Lennox Error Code E5 indicates that the outdoor unit's current protection has been triggered. This is a critical safety feature in heat pumps and air conditioners designed to prevent damage from electrical issues. Specifically, E5 occurs when current draw exceeds safe limits, typically 10 to 20 amps, based on the unit's specifications. This safety mechanism automatically shuts down the system to protect against potential damage. E5 is most common in Lennox heat pumps and air conditioners. The outdoor unit contains sensors that constantly monitor the electrical current flowing through the system. When this exceeds safe levels, the protection mechanism activates. The error code protects critical components like the compressor and condenser in the outdoor unit. These high-power elements are most vulnerable to excessive current draw. Current thresholds are critical for safety. The graph illustrates how electrical current can become hazardous at certain levels and frequencies. E5 ensures the system stays within safe operating parameters to protect both the equipment and users. In summary, Lennox Error Code E5 is a vital safety feature that protects heat pumps and air conditioners from electrical overload, automatically shutting down the system when current exceeds safe thresholds. Common causes of Lennox Error Code E5 include several factors that can trigger this safety mechanism in HVAC systems. Short circuits due to wiring faults or damaged insulation are a primary cause of E5 errors. These electrical faults create unsafe conditions that trigger the protection mechanism. Component failures, such as blown capacitors, faulty contactors, or a seized compressor, can also trigger the E5 code by causing excessive current draw. Environmental factors like high ambient temperatures that increase the system's load or voltage fluctuations can contribute to triggering the E5 error. Overloading the electrical circuit that the HVAC system is on can also cause an E5 error by exceeding safe current thresholds. Begin diagnosing the E5 error with a systematic approach. First, visually inspect the outdoor unit's wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion. Look for exposed wires, burnt insulation, or corroded connections that could cause excessive current draw. Lennox's Prodigy app provides real-time diagnostic data. Connect your device to the system to monitor current levels and receive alerts. This tool helps identify issues without direct electrical work. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical components. Wear protective gear, ensure power is off, and follow all protocols. If you're not experienced with HVAC systems, consult a qualified technician to avoid risks. The appropriate fix for Lennox Error Code E5 depends on the underlying cause identified during diagnosis. If a short circuit is found, repair or replace the damaged wiring to restore safe electrical flow. For component failures, replace the faulty capacitor, contactor, or compressor to ensure proper system operation. If high ambient temperatures are contributing, ensure adequate ventilation around the outdoor unit to prevent overload. Consider installing a voltage stabilizer to mitigate fluctuations and protect the system. If multiple appliances are on the same circuit, have an electrician wire a separate circuit to prevent overloading. Regular maintenance plays a crucial role in preventing Lennox Error Code E5 in HVAC systems. By addressing potential issues before they escalate, homeowners can avoid costly repairs and system downtime. Start with cleaning the outdoor unit's coils. Accumulated dirt and debris restrict airflow, causing the system to work harder and draw more current. This can trigger the E5 protection mechanism designed to prevent electrical overload. Next, inspect and tighten all electrical connections. Loose or corroded wiring can create resistance, leading to current spikes that activate the E5 error. Regular checks ensure connections remain secure and prevent short circuits. Periodically check the condition of capacitors and contactors. These components can fail over time due to heat or age, causing abnormal current draw. Replacing worn parts prevents the excessive amperage that triggers E5. Finally, professional maintenance is essential. Certified technicians can perform comprehensive inspections, identify hidden issues, and perform tune-ups. This proactive approach prevents E5 errors, reduces energy costs, and extends the lifespan of your HVAC system. Modern Lennox systems are incorporating smart technology to revolutionize HVAC diagnostics and prevent E5 errors before they occur. IoT integration connects smart thermostats to the HVAC system, allowing automatic load adjustments that preempt E5 errors. By monitoring usage patterns and environmental conditions, these thermostats optimize performance and prevent excessive current draw. Cloud-based monitoring allows Lennox systems to transmit diagnostic data remotely. Technicians can access real-time information through apps and dashboards, enabling quick resolution of potential issues without physical visits. This has cut on-site calls for E5 by 30% since 2024. AI-driven systems use machine learning to predict maintenance needs. By analyzing historical data and current performance, these systems identify issues before they cause E5 shutdowns. This evolution transforms E5 from a critical error into a proactive notification, enabling self-healing in most cases. Overall, smart HVAC systems are transforming E5 from a disruptive error into a helpful notification. Through IoT, cloud monitoring, and AI, Lennox systems now anticipate and resolve issues before they impact performance, marking the future of efficient diagnostics. Real-world case studies demonstrate how E5 errors can be resolved by identifying and fixing specific causes. In a residential setting, a corroded contactor triggered the E5 error. Replacing the contactor and installing a voltage stabilizer completely resolved the issue, restoring normal operation. In a commercial scenario, a rodent-chewed wire was causing repeated E5 errors. By rewiring the damaged section and adding pest-proofing measures, technicians avoided the need for a costly compressor replacement. These examples highlight the critical importance of thorough diagnostics and addressing the root cause of E5 errors, rather than just resetting the system. When dealing with Lennox Error Code E5, expert tips emphasize safety above all else. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical components in HVAC systems. Before starting any diagnostic or repair work, it's crucial to disconnect power to the unit completely. This prevents electrical shock and ensures safe operation. If you're not comfortable working with electricity or lack the necessary experience, consult a qualified HVAC technician immediately. Professional expertise is essential for complex electrical issues. Always remember to check voltage first when diagnosing E5 errors. Voltage fluctuations are responsible for approximately 50% of E5 triggers, making this a critical initial step. Finally, regular maintenance is key to preventing E5 errors. Proper diagnostics and addressing the root cause not only resolve current issues, but also prevent future occurrences, saving time and costs. By following these expert tips and safety precautions, you can effectively manage and prevent Lennox Error Code E5 in your HVAC system.